Hello! Today we're cooking not your typical chicken adobo. Here's what you'll need. Chicken, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, paprika, baby potatoes, bacon, and the special ingredient, mushrooms. Put that chicken in the pot. Add garlic bay leaf, some black pepper. Pour a cup of soy sauce, a cup of vinegar, 3 cups of water. Let it boil to music. When broth has reduced, add paprika. Add boiled potatoes. Time to fry some bacon. Olive oil. Bacon. Add bacon and oil in pot. Stir fry. Toss in the mushrooms. Keep stirring. It's ready to serve. A plate for the human. And now for the dog. Disclaimer: although some mushrooms are safe for dogs, and cooked potatoes may be given in small amounts, I keep away from feeding them to Opie because she doesn't tolerate them well. Look at her salivating. Let's see how she likes this adobo. Begin. Well, will you look at that? The doggo likes the adobo. Looks like the chicken adobo is 100%. Approved.